Selling on PataMarket? Great choice. Let's make sure your orders arrive safely and get verified fast. Here's how to package like a pro. Start with strong packaging. Use boxes, bubble wraps, or padded envelopes to protect your item. Seal it tightly with sturdy tape. No gaps or loose edges.
I can make you love me.
Every order needs two codes, the item code and the order code. Print them in large bold text and stick them on top of the package. Pro tip: waterproof labels prevent smudging.
Turn up the music, just let me get wild tonight. Does it please you?
Riders need clear photos for verification. Place codes on a flat area, avoiding curves or edges, and keep them away from tape. No handwritten codes, they smudge.
Oh, could this be reality? Somehow you
Avoid these pitfalls. Never reuse damaged packaging, hide codes, or scribble details. A little care saves time and builds buyers' trust.
somehow you bring me up.
Remember, protect your item, label clearly, and keep codes camera ready. Follow these steps and your order will speed through verifications.
When you see me broken, does it please you? Does it ease you? When you see me broken,
Thank you for making PataMarket Kenya's most trusted marketplace. Happy selling.
when you see